This episode of the Weekly Iron is brought to you by Blue Diamond Attachments. Reach and clear more with Blue Diamond swing arm brush cutter attachment for skid steers and compact track loaders. Purchase a new swing arm brush cutter attachment in December and get a free set of replacement blades. Learn more at bluediamondattachments.com. Hello and welcome to the Weekly Iron for Friday, December 19th. I'm Miles Cooksey, filling in for Jessica Klein. We all recognize the importance of educating a new workforce, especially in areas related to construction equipment. A contractor and dealer in Massachusetts just put a $100,000 electric excavator in the hands of students at Westfield Technical Academy, where they can get hands-on experience operating the machine. CONEXPO is right around the corner. Don't forget the wide range of educational programming offered in Las Vegas this March. The editors from Construction Equipment have curated those sessions most appropriate for equipment managers. Check out the list at constructionequipment.com. And Equipment Share is aiming to put some serious expansion into the Maryland market. It's opened its third location in Odenton and plans on an additional 10 branches, representing an overall investment of $700 million. That's it for the Weekly Iron. Have a good weekend.